It's time again for Fishing Tales with Mike Sakamoto.
I'm off to catch my fishing tails. Hang 'em up high with a silver nail. Gonna bring back another fishing tale, so I can tell everybody my big fishing tale.
Hi, I'm Mike Sakamoto, and thanks for joining me on Fishing Tales. Hey, the winds are down off of Maui, and Captain Tad Luckey has the Luckey Strike all gassed up and ready to go. So on this week's Fishing Tales program, I head out from the Lahaina Boat Harbor with Captain Tad, Danny Krager, and Dave Luckey. First, we have a bunch of fun with the Opelu. Then we use them for bait and drift for the omilu and the white ulua on light conventional tackle. You're gonna see tons of action, so don't go away. We'll be right back with a Luckey Strike Fishing Tale. The Luckey Strike's a big boat, almost a ship. Actually a 54 Delta anchored in Lahaina. It's Coast Guard certified for 27 anglers or divers and is well maintained and is squeaky clean. And on this afternoon, we're going fishing with only a small crew of friends. The first angler is Danny Krager of Wailuku. Born in Southern California, he's lived in Maui for 18 years. The other angler is Captain Dave Luckey of Lahaina. A captain with Atlantis Submarines, Dave is the older brother to Captain Tad Luckey, who owns and operates the Luckey Strike. In minutes, Captain Tad had the Luckey Strike up and heading down the coast for a half hour or so. Our first objective is to try for the Opelu with light tackle, which consists of a 6-foot pen rod and a 4-ounce bank sinker along with 5 small flies. So Dave, about what, 100 feet down?
100, 125, 150, then up,
And then jig them up.
jig them
Let 'em
up,
sink.
let them sink, and then reel up a little bit. That way you're covering
Some ground.
covering the ground.
Okay. So work them, sink them down and jig them up.
That sounds simple enough. Dave went on to say that many of the strikes will come when the flies fall.
Oh, there we go. I got him. Just on the sink, Danny. Just on the sink.
Same spot.
Yeah. Okay, big fella.
I'm gonna come stand next to you.
Yeah,
I
this
want
side
to
of
get
the
this
boat is
rubber
biting,
band off
man.
my line here.
There we go. Yee-hee. Boy, it's quite a ways down there, about 100 something feet down though. There we go, coming up, coming up. Maybe I got more than one.
You see the size of that
Oh,
one?
anyway.
Man, he was huge.
Come on, guys.
All right.
One thing about this Opelu,
There's
they got
color.
real soft mouth though. There it is, color.
There's like you
Color.
got one.
I got one.
One big one.
I'll take them any way I can get them, man.
Way to go, Mike.
Coming up. What is that? That's not Opelu.
Oh, you got yourself a parka.
Huh?
Hey, nothing wrong with that. Nice pan-sized paca.
Now that's what you call a fish. Paka paka. Oh, paka. Oh, hey, bit my thumb. I'll be a son of a gun. Paka paka, eh? It's supposed to be on the bottom.
Nice one.
Oh, woo. Funny little guy. Who'd ever think alpaca would bite into fellow school? Of all things. You hooked up, Danny. What, on the sink?
Yeah, same spot, right
Same
next
spot.
to you.
You spotted the boat pretty
This
good.
is the spot. Ooh, this
Okay.
one's got some shoulders on him.
Yeah, big kind over here, huh?
Yeah. Pulling back a little bit. This looks like Opelu.
Fellow, yeah.
It's like a couple Opelu. As a matter of fact,
Okay, let me help
looks
you here.
like 3 Opelu.
3 of them.
We got a triple.
Okay, bring them out.
Ready?
Okay,
Coming up.
Yes!
Awesome.
Now that's what you call a
Triple.
catch.
Woo!
Triple.
Woo!
Okay, I'll let you
Oh, I get a
unhook one.
triple. Right on.
You can unhook that one over there
Okay.
before they get all tangulation.
The 3 fish that Danny landed is called the Opelu by the Hawaiian people, or the mackerel scad. There are 4 different species in Hawaii, and all are great eating and make terrific live or dead bait. A schooling fish, they've been caught from the surface to 650 feet and grow up to 13 inches or more. The Opelu is also a very popular fish for frying in Hawaii. Some people like eating it raw with just a sprinkling of Hawaiian salt.
Thank you, sir.
There you go.
In minutes, we drifted off of the school, so Captain Ted took us back up to the spot, and then
Hook up.
Look up. I
Cool.
got one too.
All right.
I think I got about 10 on mine though.
Oh, man.
More than 10, I think. 20, I think.
Mike, you got the rig. I can
I
see
think I had
them.
one and then I left them.
Oh, you got some followers going down there, too. You got some following you up. Maybe that's mine.
Yeah.
All right.
Mine doing circles over here. Here comes mine.
All right.
Here comes mine.
Woo.
Woohoo!
Boy, mine was deep.
Dinner, dinner. The magic fly. Nice size Opelu. These are perfect for dinner size, boy.
the Opelu school was right below us and definitely hungry.
Mr. Dave, you hooked up, eh?
Ah, hook up. There was one, at least maybe two.
Good one, good one.
Yeah, I was way down there. Coming up.
Ted.
Cranking
Coming
up,
up.
Dave.
There it is,
There you
Dave.
go. Oh, he's a big one. That's
Oh,
why.
Nice one.
Big old,
To your left, to
big
your
old
left.
fat one.
Here, let me get him. There, Dave.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, man, that is a
size of that thing.
monster.
Oh. Almost landed right in the ET mouth. Perfect.
Oh, man, that's
That's
a
big fish.
I think he was
I think
heading
that's an
back,
adult.
back home. Go get him, Dave.
Right.
Was it biting on the way up or on the way down?
On the way up.
On the way up.
Shoots. I'm gonna go get
Jig,
one.
jig, and then. Oh.
Oh, wow, big bag.
Way to go, Dave. It looks like you
Get
got
a
a
rack
triple
full.
going there.
Uh-oh. I got a four.
Oh,
Mike's
hook
got
up,
one.
hook up. I got one too.
Mike's got one too.
I got one.
Oh, look at him.
I got one. Yoo-hoo!
Everybody's on.
Hey, Dave.
Here comes. Here,
Oh,
there's
double, double.
at least a double. I feel one come off. Oh. Oh, look at those
fat
guys.
Oh,
Holy
man.
moly.
Holy mackerel.
Holy mackerel. Is that a holy mackerel? I thought that was a Opelu.
It's 5 o'clock, so Captain Tad Luckey is taking the Luckey Strike back up current, and it's gonna put us right over the school of Opelu.
There we go. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Back over the drag. Quick, 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 quick. Oh, yanking some line, baby. Oh,
Wow.
look at that. Peeling off
Whoa,
line.
Mikey.
Woo-hoo.
Wow.
Woo-hoo. I think I got more than one.
Wow.
Okay. Boy, this guy is stubborn. I think he got a whole family, I think.
How deep, Mike?
About 121 feet. Coming up. There he is. There he is. Come on, fish. Give up. Okay, coming up. There we go. Ta-da!
Nice one.
Yoo-hoo! Woo!
That's a nice Opelu, and seconds later, I placed it in the live well. By now, we had over 3 dozen lively Opelu, which we'll be using later on tonight as live bait. So Captain Tad and the guys decided to take a break and wait for sundown. It was now dinner time, so Dave, Tad, and Danny broke out the food, and we all started to dig in.
Steamer clam pokey.
The steamer clam pokey was the high point, and boy was it delicious. There was also 3 other kinds of pokey, teriyaki beef, fried chicken, rice, chips, and fresh cut fruits of all kinds. Tad's wife had outdid herself and had prepared a great spread for the guys, and no one was gonna let it go to waste. Soon the sun was on the horizon, and it was now time to watch how Danny Krager rigged up a live Opelu with his double hook rig.
Okay, here's one.
All right.
So we're on the spot.
We're on the spot.
Okay,
That's what we're
do we
gonna do.
this?
First, we're gonna take this first hook
Uh-huh.
through the nose plate,
Okay.
just this way.
To the
Okay,
nose plate,
Yeah,
okay.
just like that. And we're gonna take this trailer hook here.
This is the spot.
We're gonna measure it.
Measure
Want it
it.
right about
Tilt
there.
this back.
Tilt that guy back.
Okay.
Hope your Opelu cooperates.
Just under the skin
Go
though.
right under the skin.
Okay.
Just like that, straighten it out.
Straighten out.
Perfect.
Perfect. Alrighty.
We're set.
Let me see. So the whole body side isn't hooked.
That's
Just the
exactly
back.
right.
Okay,
Just
go
the
ahead.
back. Then we're gonna take them
Over the side.
on the spot and
Bombs away.
send them on down.
Danny's objective now is to allow the Opelu to sink to the bottom, and then, once there, he'll crank it back up a fathom or two. Then he allows the Opelu to swim free and hopes for a bite.
Try. Wacko. There you
All
go.
right.
Hook up.
Hook up.
Danny got one. All right, Danny. All right.
There we go.
There we go.
Like to get the whole thing next
Hold
time.
on to him.
Something's on.
Yep.
You need the net?
You got the
There it
gobble
is.
there.
There it is. There it is. Yeah, back up. Back up. Back up. Couple out. Watch out, Danny.
Oh boy,
You called that one. Just finger on.
lots of fun. At least he didn't.
All over Danny.
Yeah, no thanks.
Okay.
Tad, you're the man with the
Pretty
gloves.
slimy.
We released the Heller's Barracuda, or Cavalier, and Danny immediately sank another Opelu to the bottom. And then, there we go.
Okay, there you go. Hook up. Danny got one.
Danny, go get him.
Yes, sir.
Oh, oh.
Oh, that was quick, man, Danny.
Well, let's see if we can get this one before the shark does.
There you go. I may have to go to dead bait. I don't know.
All right.
Work them here.
Oh, wait, nice outfit, huh?
Yeah, this is 20-pound test with a 12T International.
Perfect.
Just lightweight stuff.
Perfect size. The bottom's
Yeah.
about 150 feet down.
It's about 150.
Uku, what? Yeah, uku.
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 Ready.
Yeah, ready. Here you go.
Okay, bring them
All
around.
right. Nice one.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah.
We got that one before the shark did.
Woohoo.
You.
Awesome. Boy, this looks like an
Uku.
old salmon net from Alaska.
That's probably what it is.
Yeah, probably.
Uh-oh.
Watch out. Hang on. These hooks are really sharp, so deadly.
The common name for the uku is gray-green snapper or green jobfish, and have been known to reach 40 inches in length and can tilt the scales up to 45 pounds. They're a roving open water predator of the reef and are superb eating.
Okay.
This one probably weighs
Just cut
about 4 pounds.
Just cut it.
Cut them off? We can pull them out with the...
Okay, you got the hooker ticker outer?
Sure. Nice little uku.
Yeah.
The fathometer was showing us the way. Captain Tad got us back on the spot, and this time I got lucky.
Okay, baby. Okay. Let's see if he's still there. He's on. I got one, Dave.
All right, Mike.
All right, go get him, Mikey. Come on. Here we go. Oh, up already. Up already. Got color someplace.
Like you got the
Hold
monster
on
on
tight.
there.
Oh, there he is.
Wow.
Banana Kura.
All right.
Oh, a monster. Here we go.
That must have
Whoa.
followed us up from the other spot. All right, Mike. High slime.
Whoa, look at the size of this guy.
Slime 5.
Cavalia. Oh, that's a big Cavalia too. Now that's a trophy.
That's probably the biggest Heller's Barracuda I've ever landed, and is indeed a trophy. Terrific eating, the Cavalier is a nocturnal feeding barracuda, and it loves eating Opelu. So a lot of times, they're found around Opelu schools.
What do you think this is? About 70 pounds, right?
At least 70, 75.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow. It's the biggest Cavalia I ever caught. I think I'm gonna pat myself on the back.
By now, we drifted off the hotspot, so Captain Tad headed back up current, and in minutes, we rebaited and we're holding live Opelu 10 feet off the bottom. Dave got lucky on this drop.
We got hook up. Come on.
All right, Dave.
All right, Dave.
Way to go. Whee.
Woohoo!
Ooh.
Come on.
No, no, he's still there.
Still there.
He's belly button.
Way to go, Dave. We'll get him. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Okay.
This is the spot.
Alrighty.
A head fish. Yahoo!
Yahoo! Ooh, coming. Is he coming up?
He's getting closer.
Ready.
He's shaking his
Didn't
head.
take very long at that live Opelu.
Move. Bang.
Oh, man.
He's shaking his head.
Good size one. Oh, color. Whoa, Milu.
Nice size.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Oh, baby.
Oh, big omilu.
That's one large omilu. Oh.
What do you guys normally do with these guys? You gonna let them go?
I'll tell you what, looks like a swallow. I think he,
Oh, yeah, he took it in the throat.
ah,
What do you want me to do? Just cut it.
dinner.
Cut it.
I'll get the hooks out.
Get the hook out.
Nice one. All right,
There
Davey.
we go.
Woo, nice
Look
one.
at Danny. Look at Danny.
Nice
Look at these guys.
All right.
Woo!
Nice fish, Davo.
Oh, boy.
Beauty.
Let me hold it this way.
Nice animal.
Whoa.
Watch those hooks.
Yeah, watch that hook is right. It's a sharp hook.
Yeah.
Hey, slimy there, but that's
All right, I love the slime.
Love that slime.
A minute later, Dave had another bait down, and then something hit it.
I think he's there.
You there?
He's there.
Okay, work him up.
And I'm not sure if he knows he's hooked yet.
Oh yeah, he's there. There you go. There you go.
He just didn't know he was hooked.
Yeah, I just saw.
You didn't know what was going on there.
Woo, Dave, you got a good size one. I'm gonna bring mine up.
And then something big grabbed Danny's Opelu and headed for the deep.
Away, Danny.
Following him down.
Come down this side, Danny. Come down this side.
Coming down. Oh.
Your fish going to the left, huh?
Yes, following Dave's
Yeah,
fish.
following Dave. Mine is up, so it's clear.
Uh-oh.
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 Now what? Tangle. Come this side, Danny. You gotta see.
Now we're going to find out.
I got a little guy
Okay,
on here.
I got one up.
Oh, there we go, color.
Small one.
Small kind guy here,
Little fella.
Woohoo! Hang on.
That's why it's taking this
Coming up.
time.
Hey, coming up. Okay. Woohoo! Nice
All
one,
right.
Milo. Okay, baby. Where's Dr. Luckey with the
Dr. Hook.
wow.
Dr. Hook.
Woohoo!
Hey. Hey, buddy.
Nice
Oh,
one, Milo.
Nice one, Milo.
Nice one. Yeah, he hasn't hurt too bad.
Look
so
at that, Danny.
Woo, nice fish, Davo.
Hey, hey, right on. I don't think he's, well,
Mr.
I was going to
Luckey.
say he hasn't hurt too bad, but he's bleeding pretty bad.
Coming up. All right, whoop. Bring yours up. Whoop.
There we go. Twins.
Hey, bookend.
Twins.
I think Dave's one is bigger though.
Bookends. That's right.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Here, whoa, whoa, whoa.
I think that one's hurt pretty
He
bad.
wants to swim real bad.
I'm gonna let this one go. 1, 2, 3.
Again, we have to move. So Captain Tad powered up and headed up current. Danny had his bait down again, and this time something grabbed it, and it was really big.
There you go. That's him. Okay, I'm gonna clear.
Yeah. Definitely got one on here.
I'm bringing mine up. You got something on.
Oh, yeah, we do.
Definitely something on.
Oh, yeah.
Woohoo!
Shaking his head like an Opelu.
I'm coming up.
Okay, I'm coming up. I'm out.
Drag
Come
it out
back.
and do something back there
Come
before
back.
it gets...
Let him run. Okay, go
He's
ahead.
going
Come on,
away.
up. No, it's clear now.
I just wanted to take it out somewhere. Oh,
All right, let him go. Let him go.
I think maybe
Plenty
he
time,
saw the
plenty
light.
time.
He's going, uh-oh.
Really, Dave. Look at how much line is off this reel.
That's okay.
He's been doing that to me since I was 5.
I know. Funny, you think when you get older, you get more mellow, you know?
Nah,
More
he just
ornery.
gets more grumpy.
Going to the right. Good one, Danny. Getting pretty full already.
Yeah. We're getting somewhat close.
Go straight.
That color I see out there?
No. Got some angle on him too. He's coming up.
Planing him up.
Yeah. Yeah, he's coming up.
There he is.
There he is, there he is. He's on the surface.
Way in the back.
Must have a foul hook then, because
No, he got it in his mouth.
that was one tough guy.
Boy, his stomach
Yeah, I
really
think
came
you're
out.
gonna have to put him in the box.
I think so too.
What a brute.
Look at that mouth. Okay.
Okay, here.
This is what you call,
A big fish.
we're going home now. Oh, yeah.
I like that gas. I think I'll
Awesome.
get it.
Awesome.
Woo!
Oh, good job there,
Oh, that's a 100-pounder then.
It really looked huge at the time, but we weighed the ulua and it came in at 75 pounds of solid muscle. A real trophy fish in anyone's book, Captain Ted tested the fish for ciguatera, and after it showed that it was clean, he smoked the ulua, and I heard that it came out superb.
Now that's what I call an ulua trip. I'd like to take this time to say special thanks to Captain Ted Luckey, Dave Luckey, and Danny Krieger for inviting me on that trip. I had a really good time. Well, hope to see you again next week for another fishing tale.
I'm off to catch my fishing tails. Hang 'em up high with a silver nail. Gonna bring back another fishing tail, so I can tell everybody my big fishing